In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dot Lottie in Framer. We'll start inside your Framer project. Open the project you're working on, and head to the canvas where you want the animation to live. To bring in the component, look for the Insert control in Framer's interface. Click Insert to open the panel. If the panel collapses or switches views, just click Insert again until you see the Library menu appear on the left. Inside the Insert panel, navigate to Media, then open the Animation section. This is where Framer groups motion and visual effect components. From here, select Dot Lottie. Framer will add the element to your canvas or attach it to your cursor so you can place it. Click to drop it where you want it. Then make sure it's selected so you can adjust its properties in the right-hand sidebar. With the Dot Lottie layer active, open the Position controls. Here you can choose how it sits within its parent frame or section. Pin it to edges, center it horizontally or vertically, and set its Y and X offsets so it snaps exactly where you want. Next, open size. You can set a fixed width and height, or let it auto-size within a container. If your layout is responsive, consider using percentage-based sizing or constraints so the animation scales gracefully on different screens. Switch to Overlays to manage how the animation stacks with other elements. This is useful if it needs to appear above text or behind an image. You can adjust its layer order and interaction behavior. Then go to Styles to refine the container's look. Background, corner radius, shadows, and similar visual details that frame the animation without distorting it. As you work, use the highlighted controls in the panel to preview playback and fine-tune behavior. Dot Lottie files typically offer options like Autoplay, Loop, and Speed. Keep Autoplay on for subtle decorative motion, or turn it off if you want the animation to start on interaction. If your layout uses a scroll section, select that section so you can confirm the animation sits inside the correct part of your page and inherits the right scroll behavior. For projects that use custom interactions, open code overrides to review or connect any existing overrides. This is where advanced behavior, like syncing animation to scroll or button taps, can be wired up. When everything looks right, click Publish to push your changes live. Then choose Update to confirm the latest version. Give the page a quick test on the published URL to make sure positioning, sizing, and playback all behave as expected. And that's it. Your Dot Lottie animation is now seamlessly integrated into your Framer project.